Our planet's water bodies are under threat from pollution, affecting marine life and ecosystems. Every day, plastic waste and debris continue to accumulate, and cleaning these water surfaces is a massive challenge. To solve this problem, we introduce to you Aqua Sweep, Aquatic Waste Elimination and Pollution Sweeper, an innovative eco-friendly solution designed to tackle this problem efficiently and sustainably. This lightweight modular robot is designed for easy transportation and deployment across various water bodies. It operates autonomously using AI-powered navigation to clean large areas without human intervention. Equipped with a conveyor belt system, it can collect up to 25 kilograms of floating debris in a single operation. Its rechargeable battery system, enhanced by solar panels, ensures energy-efficient continuous cleaning with a maximum speed of 1.5 meters per second. Integrated with Industry 4.0 technologies, the robot uses IoT sensors to monitor trash levels and water quality in real time. Then the data is sent to a cloud platform for remote monitoring, enabling smarter data-driven decisions. Using generative design and CAD modeling, we have optimized key components like the cleaning mechanism, reducing material usage, floatability of the robot, and mobility, using internal powered propellers to ensure streamlined motions while maintaining strength and durability. By using advanced robotics, renewable energy, and sustainable materials, this robot aligns with global efforts to protect our environment. It offers a scalable, cost-effective solution for cleaning lakes, rivers, and other water bodies. Together, we can make our water cleaner and safer. The Aqua Sweep robot leading the way to a more sustainable future.